Hello, this is Joan of Arc. Let's have a recap of where we've been to in Bohol. I haven't included some of these video clips simply because I keep running out of memory spaces and also battery to record a lot of stuff that's going on in Bohol. So we've had a lot. Here is my collection of the other places I've been to. Check them out. We are here at Lobo, and we see the ruins of Lubok Church. It's being rehabilitated. We are also here on the bridge over Lubok River. There's a river cruise where you can have lunch, only that we arrived here already late, so they're no longer cruising the river. So that's Lubok Municipality down there. Have lunch on that floating restaurant, but only until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Island Church and the Panglao Plaza. This is the fully restored Baclayon Church. It was destroyed in the earthquake of 2013 and now it's back. This is also Baclayon. An amazing view of the beach.
GPS signal lost.
Adventure restaurant, very yummy food, and the place is always full. Great crowd, nice place. I'm here at Shaka Restaurant in Alona, Panglao. Very popular among foreigners. It's a vegan restaurant, a lot of healthy foods, and we just have our yummiest as the beef farm, fresh organic food, and a lot of places to check out here. Also great view of the beach. That's Pamilacan Island over there. You can't see it on my camera. And then a hazy view of Siquijor Island. This is the Buzz, the Bee Farms restaurant here at Lightport Mall. This is another one of my favorite restaurants, cafe here in Bohol. Highly recommended. Here now in Tagbilaran City. And this is the shape of their tricycle. In Tagbilaran, they are strictly enforcing the clamping policy. What is that? If you park illegally, they would put a clamp on your tires and you cannot drive away because of the clamp. So you have to park your car properly or find a pay parking area. We don't have this yet in Bacolod. Maybe one of these days. So beware of clamping. At Soledad Suites in Tagbilaran, Bohol. Of all the islands I've been to, I now could say that Bohol for me is the best island to live in. It has a lot of natural attractions and also modern amenities. The food is great. And the people, they're very gentle. I like the vibe. It's just the right vibe for me. No wonder I have a lot of friends falling in love with the place. And some of them have settled here or were planning to transfer here. And now I understand why they love Bohol so much. Joan of Arc at the port of Tagbilaran, Bohol, saying bye-bye for now, Bohol. We will see you again, I'm sure of that, and I have enjoyed a lot of your sights and sounds and taste and smell. Thank you, love you, Bohol.